As investigation continues into the rape and murder case of a trainee doctor at Kolkata's RG Kar Hospital, the polygraph test of 7 people related to the case has begun. This includes the main accused Sanjay Roy, the former principal of RG Kar Sandeep Ghosh. The lie detection or polygraph test will also be conducted on 1 civic volunteer and 4 doctors of the hospital. According to police, the doctors allegedly had dinner with the victim a day prior to the crime. A special CFSL experts team from Delhi has arrived in Kolkata to conduct the test. This comes after the Central Bureau of Investigation got the approval nod for the test from a Kolkata court. Now, the lie detection test can only be conducted after obtaining the court's and suspect's consent. When the judge asked the accused why he was consenting to the polygraph test, Sanjay Roy reportedly broke down before the judge, claiming that he was innocent. He was quoted saying that he is being framed and that the test will prove that. The prime accused was also sent to 14 days judicial custody by the Kolkata court. He will remain in judicial custody until the 6th of September under the supervision of the CBI. Meanwhile, the CBI has taken over the investigation into irregularities in the case after Calcutta High Court's order to transfer the probe. The investigation was earlier being conducted by the SIT constituted by the West Bengal government. The Kolkata police has said that as per the order of the court, all documents pertaining to the alleged financial irregularities in RG Kar have been handed over to the CBI. As this probe continues, the parents of the victim have alleged an interview that they believe the department and other doctors knew about the incident and they are silent out of fear.
हम तो पूरा विश्वास है कि जो अंदर में जो आदमी जो सब लड़का लड़की है और जो डिपार्टमेंट है वो सब जानता है उसको पकड़ने से पूरा विश्वास सामने आ जाएगा।
डिपार्टमेंट से कौन लोग
डिपार्टमेंट जो उसको चार्ज जूनियर था, एक दीदी को 15-20 मिनट अंदर उसको जरूरत पड़ता है, लेकिन वो 7 घंटा से उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं जानता है। ये हमको बहुत दुख हो रहा है इस बात पर। वो सब जानता है लेकिन वो नहीं बोल रहा है, कोई घबरा हुआ है तो मतलब बहुत हो सकता है, ऐसा कुछ प्रॉब्लम है कॉलेज में।
For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.